This is the work by American artist Frank Stella. His work is mainly based around pattern, shape and colour. These sections on their own remind me of rainbow. Here's an image of Frank Stella's overlapping rainbow shapes. Here he's added some of the rainbow shapes to squares and created a circle where the picture aligns. Here you can see he's used a square and he's created lines within lines, and this creates what is called an optical effect. Today we're going to create a response to Frank Stella's work following the simple steps that I described further along in this recording. Start by drawing around your hand. Next, draw rainbows within the spaces using one colour per rainbow. This reminds me of the work of Frank Stella, where he does lines within his shapes. Make sure you go all the way up each finger, creating the rainbows. These can turn in different positions. Next, draw around your hand in different positions in the spaces. Begin to do exactly the same. Fill all of the spaces up the fingers. Begin to shade lightly over the rainbows using the same colour. Here I'm colouring the orange space. I'm colouring it lightly so that I can see the lines through it. Here I'm colouring the pink space. This is how your work should look, something like this. You may like it just as it is. However, I'm going to colour the spaces in the background. Here I've chosen black. I've chosen black because it's going to give us the best contrast. Here is my work in progress. I could choose to leave some of the hands just as line and not colour them all solidly, but if you start colouring one hand, I suggest you finish the full hand. So you could leave one solid hand and you could leave another as line if you chose to. Here is my final work where I've coloured all the areas in. The black is adding the contrast that I needed to make the hands stand out, and the lines within the rainbows are reminiscent or similar to those by Frank Stella.